Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find your Amazon digital receipts. Whether you need proof of purchase for a digital book, app, or streaming rental, knowing where to locate these receipts is incredibly useful for your records or expense tracking. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to Amazon's homepage where we can begin accessing your order history. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option that says Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this section, and a drop-down menu will appear with various account management options. From this menu, click on Orders. This will take you to a comprehensive view of all your Amazon purchases. Once you're on the Orders page, look at the top toolbar. Here you'll notice several filtering options that help you sort through your purchase history. Click on Digital Orders. This filter is specifically designed to show only your digital purchases, separating them from physical items you've bought. It makes finding what you need much faster and more efficient. Although I don't have any digital orders in my account right now, I'm still going to walk you through what happens next so you know exactly what to do. When you have digital orders, they'll appear listed on this page. Each order will show basic information like the purchase date and item name. To view the full details of any digital purchase, simply click on the order you're interested in. This will expand the order information and give you access to additional options and details about that specific purchase. After opening the order details, you'll see a button labeled View Invoice. Click on this button to access the complete digital receipt. This invoice contains all the important information about your purchase, including the exact amount charged, the date of purchase, and any applicable taxes. Finally, you can review the digital receipt or invoice directly on the order page. From here, you can print it, save it as a PDF, or simply reference the information you need. This receipt serves as your official proof of purchase for any digital item you've bought through Amazon. And that's all there is to it. You now know exactly where to find your Amazon digital receipts whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.